Data modeling is a fancy way of saying, how do I figure out what my tables look like in my database? In the relational database world, this involves thinking about your data, building a model, normalizing it, then normalizing it again, and then normalizing it some more. Finally, you determine how to query your model to support the needs of your app. Cassandra Data Modeling works in almost the opposite way. You start by looking at the needs of your app to determine your queries. Then you create models and identify data to support those queries. Since this might be a different way of thinking about your data, we have a 5-step recipe to help you. In the first step, we think about the data just to explore and become familiar with it. This helps frame our thinking for later steps. Next, we look at our app and enumerate the use cases that the app embodies. The third step looks at the ways these use cases access the data. We call these data access patterns. Armed with the data access patterns, we determine the queries that the app will require. Finally, we create tables to support those queries. If this sounds a little bit nebulous, that's okay. We have prepared a concrete example, a user management system, so we can work through the Cassandra data modeling process together.